Austin from Jumprope, and in today's video, I'm going to share 5 places you can look to find content ideas. This one is not surprising, but sometimes a good scroll through Pinterest can give you tons of new content ideas. Search for phrases or topics that you typically create content for and see what other people have come up with. Then you can put your own spin on them. Seasonal and holiday content is always a good place to go when you're looking for ideas, so think about the season you're in or any upcoming holidays and blog posts or videos that you could create around that. Go back and visit your best performing blog posts or Instagram posts and see if you can put a new spin on them or answer a question that may have come up after you posted. Take a scroll back through your Instagram DMs and blog comments and look for frequently asked questions or something you could create content around. That way, when someone asks you, you can just send them a link to your latest blog post or video. And last but not least, look on the Jumprope app in the Jumprope tips section or on our Instagram account for content ideas. I hope this video was helpful, and the next time that you're running low on content ideas, you know where to look to find your answers.